Tired of hearing about everyone making money with AI while you're still on the sidelines, feeling overwhelmed and don't know where to start? Don't worry, I've got you. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 AI side hustles that absolutely anyone can start, even with zero experience. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to your first online dollar. First up, AI writing. If you can type, you can do this. Using tools like ChatGPT, you can become a freelance writer overnight. Businesses are desperate for blog posts, social media updates, ad copy, and product descriptions. You can use AI to generate high-quality drafts in minutes, then add your human touch to polish them. Hop on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, create a profile, and start offering your services. It's a fantastic way to build a portfolio and earn quickly. Next, let's talk about AI video creation. Have you seen those popular Faceless YouTube channels about history, finance, or meditation? Many of them are made with AI tools like Pictory or Runway can turn a simple script into a full-fledged video with stock footage, voiceovers, and captions. You don't have to show your face or even use your own voice. Pick a niche you're passionate about, create consistent content, and you can start earning from YouTube ad revenue and affiliate marketing. It's like having a passive income machine working for you 24/7. Number 3 is AI graphic design. Thought you needed a fancy art degree to be a designer? Think again. With tools like Canva's Magic Studio, you can create stunning logos, social media graphics, posters, and presentations with simple text prompts. Small businesses and content creators are always looking for affordable design work. You can offer services like creating a 30-day social media content pack or designing a brand logo. It's a creative and fun way to make money without spending years in art school. Coming in at number 4 is AI transcription and subtitling. The demand for this is exploding. Podcasters, YouTubers, and online course creators all need their audio and video content transcribed into text. Why? For accessibility, SEO, and creating blog posts from their content. Tools like Otter AI or Descript can automatically transcribe audio with incredible accuracy. Your job is to simply proofread the AI-generated text, correct any minor errors, and deliver a polished final document. You can get paid per audio minute or per project, and it's a flexible gig you can do from anywhere. Finally, number 5, building AI chatbots. Now, this might sound complicated, but it's gotten so much easier. Many small businesses like local restaurants or e-commerce stores are swamped with the same customer questions over and over. What are your hours? Do you have this in stock? You can use no-code platforms to build simple chatbots that answer these frequently asked questions automatically. This saves the business owner time and improves their customer service. You can charge a setup fee and even a small monthly retainer for maintenance. So there you have it, 5 practical, beginner-friendly AI side hustles you can start today. From writing and video creation to design and chatbots, there's an opportunity for everyone. The key is to just start. Pick one that excites you the most and take that first step. Which one of these are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your plans. And if you found this video helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more AI money-making tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.